Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
We secure.
Is the money?
So I think it's that pallet on the left actually. So now I have to wait. I'm getting bored. I just have to destroy things. Hello brother. Okay.
Ice.
Yeah. Ice baby. I'm getting bored. No. It's okay? Yeah?
Yeah.
I think it's only one color. Okay. Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. No response. Maybe I'll try my luck next time. Come on. It's so important to secure this because otherwise it's gonna fuck everything up. Okay, what about this pallet? I don't know nothing about this pallet, mate. No label, no anything. What about this? It might be only one. Just have to double check, mate. No label. There's no fucking label on it. How I supposed to know where it gets delivered?
What?
Is only one pallet? Because this one doesn't have any label.
Yeah, just one pallet.
Clean slice. What about this? Where is going? Because I can't see any label on it, mate.
What's on it?
Well, it's only one product. It's clean slice couture latte. Don't know what the fuck is.
Right, just
Look, Bangladesh vegetable.
just close up for now and I'll go look at the bin in a minute.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Just wanted to double check. You don't have to go again and then come back, you know what I mean? It's always good to check. And here I need to be fucking careful, because this one is very Very slippery. This is how the lorry looks like. Yeah, 26 ton. It's not such a long vehicle, but it's heavy enough, you know. So this signal is to tell him to reverse, eh? To come back. This one is to turn right. Like this with both hands is to go straight. Yeah. Just needs all the time to be on the side. Remember, all the time, if you're not sure, go slowly, mate.
Fucking some other cars parked there now.
Don't worry. Calm down. Handbrake. Watch out. Handbrake. 1 second. I jump out and help you. Eh? No problem. One second. Huh? Say that again, please.
Sorry?
Say that again. You want outside?
Yeah.
So you can take the pallet from there.
Sorry, yeah.
Yeah? No problem.
No, you bring inside, leave it.
Yeah, next time, no problem. Yeah, we didn't know, that's why. No problem. Yeah, brother. Now is okay. Now is okay, but next time they will want you to park outside, because they can take it with the fork, you know. Next time. Now is okay. I'll do it.
And next time, send that back up.
Yeah. My mistake.
It's okay.
My mistake. I
No,
forgot.
don't take it all the way out. No.
It's a big mistake.
Don't take it all the way out, so you'll lift it off on it.
Yeah. It's a big mistake, mate.
It's okay.
Okay. Which one? This one.
Yeah.
Do you need to bring this pallets back?
No.
Well, we can.
Take it back to our yard.
Yeah. I'll do it. I'll take this out because this is latte. How many boxes you need?
This pallet.
No, but how many boxes?
14 boxes.
14 boxes. So I think that's 14. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it, mate. He checked it. As long as he signed, that's it. Job done. 1 second. Thank you, brother. This one, eh? Yeah. Thank you very much. Brother, you're happy, eh? Thank you very much.
24/7 happy.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Yeah?
Maybe when you take it outside.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't damage my door.
Professional.
इसका देना पड़ेगा क्या वाला देना पड़ेगा